Hello, today is my second attempt to get a LilyGo T-embed working as a Zombieverter display on my Volvo. I had one with a special board, but I had it programmed, but it did not communicate with the Zombieverter, so I was thinking there was something going very wrong. So I was measuring some things, and then the ground wire touched the 12 volt, so after some smoke it didn't work anymore. So I have a new one. I've soldered on some pins so I can connect some wires, program it with tool from Python with a script. I have all the files from the Openinverter Forum by the person who has made this, Jamie Jones. He also helped me getting the first one to program. He's the one that developed the display. Let's go to the computer and let's connect this one, and then we'll see if we can get it programmed and working in the car. First I'll connect the LilyGo to the USB port of the computer, and then we'll try to program it. This is the code I'm using in the PowerShell. It's using the Python tool. The LilyGo is connected to COM3. I have found that out via the Arduino IDE app. I have the files all on the C drive in the folder Zombieverter Display, and the rest is the name of the file. And it's done. Now it's resetting and it is running. It's a bit stubborn. I have the Zombieverter display connected to a CAN module. This one is only in between for the resistor, and that goes to another CAN module that goes to this Arduino GUI with Github on it, and that's connected to the computer. And when I press reset, this happens, and you can see some code appear on the screen. It's still not reacting on the rotating, and that was working before. Let's connect it to the car and let's see if something happens. I've mounted the display over here. This is the communication wire, and the CAN module goes in here. I've powered it on. I've powered it with a USB cable, and when I turn the ignition on, you can see the display powers up, and you can see the motor temperatures. You can see drive neutral works, amps and those things I haven't checked yet. No reason to see why it wouldn't work. And the settings I haven't put in the right JSON file yet. I have it connected on CAN 1 on the OBD2 CAN. It should work on CAN 2, but on my car it does not work on CAN 2. I don't know why not, but it's not working, so I can only use CAN 1 for it. No problem, as long as you know that's the problem if you're trying to get it to work on CAN 2. Now here's the new board, thanks to Jamie Jones. Now let's get this one soldered up. This one goes here, but it's a very tight fit. So first I'm going to put the casing back on. So I've made a hole in here. Some protective sleeve. Power supply. The LilyGo is connected now, so now it should work. Now I've put a connector on it. This connector is connected to the power-up system of the Zombieverter and the motor. So if the Zombieverter gets power, also the display gets power. And when the Zombieverter is shut down, display is also shut down. It's powered by now. Now let's put it somewhere over here, so when I go to drive I still can see it. I'm using some double-sided tape for that. Now I'm going to upload the new JSON file. First I have to get it from the Zombieverter. I'm now connected to the Wi-Fi of the Zombieverter. This is the latest interface. There's a button with download parameters file. If you press it, it will download the parameters file. Then you change to the Wi-Fi of the Zombieverter display, and then you go to this address. Select the parameters file and upload the JSON file. If you go to the update place, if you go to update, then you can update over there the firmware and the file system. It's all over the air. This is the screen, and now I can choose some settings. I'm not getting further than the settings now. Click or double click does not have any effect. If I connect the vehicle CAN, the high-speed CAN of the Volvo, to the CAN bus, then let's reset this one and let's see what happens. Now you can see it's reacting and it's going through all. I can go into the settings. All the settings are available. And go into spot parameters. I can see all the spot parameters. And to show it's working, if I go to the pre-charge setting, you can see it pre-charges and it's working. And it's now in run. You can now see it's not stable. I found when you have it on this can, usually it's not stable. No, there you saw it. It looks like it's resetting. Now the randomly all values going to 0, I don't mind that. But the strange thing is I have to have the high-speed can of the car connected. I think that's a good addition to my car. And I'm happy that Jamie Jones made the software for this LilyGo. And thanks a lot for the support on making this work. That's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one.